Greetings, my name is Rishabh Agarwal. I come from India. I've completed my bachelor's in business administration from India, and now I'm pursuing masters in entrepreneurship from Royal Holloway, University of London. I possess key skills for being an entrepreneur. I'm a good leader with exceptionally well communication skills, followed with good teamwork qualities. I come from a business family, so it was natural for me to develop interest in business and management ever since I decided to think about my future. I've gained some practical experience in teamwork and leadership by organizing certain events in my earlier university, as I was the head coordinator of the management club in my university. I've also gained some real first-hand professional business experience by working with my father for a couple of years. In the future, I plan on exploring new areas so that I can take my family's business to the next level, and eventually, after gaining some experience, I want to establish my own firm